Remove sending option not available on your Windows PC, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. In this video, I will guide you on how to solve this issue in less than 30 seconds. On your device, right-click on the Start button here, click on Settings. At this side, click on Account. Scroll down until you see the Send option here. Click at this arrow to expand it. Now you see that this pane window, you have it here, recommended, or click on it or expand it. You see that this remove button is gray. Just scroll down under additional settings. You see this option, click on it to toggle it off. Once you toggle it off, click this window. Once you close that window, then come to the same place, right click on this Start button, click on Settings, click on Account again, click on Sending option, then click on this pin again. Now this button has been activated. You can now remove the pin. You can now remove the sending option. So that's all, guys, on how to enable this if it is gray on your device. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.